What is up, guys? I'm out here in Mose Valley. Gonna do some bouldering with some friends. None of them has showed up yet, so decided to show you guys what I'm carrying. It is the Civivi Elementum button lock, Damascus steel. Compressed carbon fiber scales, deep carry pocket clip, Torx head hardware, button lock. Yeah, super smooth action. This is my left hand. I'm used to doing it with my right, but I'm holding my camera with my right hand, but you can still get it. And it is just like the most fall shutty knife I have ever held. As soon as I picked it up and opened it, I was like, damn, I have to have this. It was like $110, $120 plus tax, but it's just so smooth. Pretty sure it is on ball bearings. And yeah, Civivi just does a really good job. This is my first Civivi knife. I'm super stoked on it. I forgot what steel it is, man, but I think it is 1095 steel. And I know you guys mainly watch this stuff for climbing. I mean, mainly watch these videos for knife related stuff, but I'm gonna show you a little bit of climbing, some stuff I'm climbing, some stuff that my friends are climbing, but keep it short. I don't want to keep you guys bored, but hopefully you think it's cool. I think it's cool. Yeah, dude. And yeah, I'm just stoked on this knife. What else can I say about it? I think that's pretty much everything, but super cool, man. Oh yeah, it's got the nice jimping on the back there. I don't know if you can see it, so you can really choke up with the finger choil. Use that jimping to do some more precise cuts. Alright, yeah, Civivi Elementum button lock. Yeah, I got this in St. George, Utah from Mr. Knife Guy. He's a local knife shop. He also has a pretty cool website with some cool knives on there, so check him out if you are looking for a knife that's not in stock. Let's say Blade HQ or something. Mr. Knife Guy might have it. He has a really good selection, so check him out. Alright guys, peace. Oh yes, I forgot to show you the rad case that the Elementum comes in. Civivi gives you this really cool case. It's got this carpet texturing, or wool texturing on the inside. It's super soft. It comes with this lint-free rag to clean off your knife. And this is just overall good quality. Yee. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. That climb I did is called Toadstool. It is a V5 boulder. Don't expect you to know what that means, because y'all are probably not climbers, but alright, well, yeah, let me know what you think of the knife that I was talking about in the video, and well, you guys have a good evening. Peace.